audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Let's talk about speaker labels and how GoTranscript formats them. I have to laugh as I know that a lot of you won't really listen to the instructions on this test, but instead will just copy and paste from some YouTube or TikTok video. Still, since it's one of the big reasons a lot of applications are rejected, perhaps those of you who really want to enter the exciting world of home transcription will pay attention. First, speaker labels are supposed to be in bold, followed by a colon. Not the kind of colon you have in your body, and not the kind of colon that was Christopher Columbus's last name in Portuguese. No, I'm talking about the kind that looks like two vertical dots, one stacked on top of the other. The colon is also supposed to be bold, but not the text following it. Second, speaker labels go right in line with the text. They don't go above the text, or in the middle of a paragraph, or off in the stratosphere somewhere like Bill Gates or Jeff Bezos, not to mention Elon Musk. They're billionaires, not astronauts, and frankly, I think if they've got all that money to throw around, they should throw some in my direction. Know what I mean? I don't know about you, but I could live a long, happy life with just a measly $1,000,000 buckaroonies. Even 500,000 bucks would pay off some bills. Anyway, what were we talking about? Oh yeah, speaker labels. Well, the idea is you're supposed to make them as descriptive as possible. So it's great if you know the speaker's name, but if you don't, and it's obviously an interview, it's fine to just call them interviewer and interviewee. However, it's never wrong to just say speaker 1, speaker 2, etc. if you're not sure. It's better to be vague than completely wrong. One more thing. You should definitely use numerals, not the words, for numbers in your labels when there's more than one speaker. For example, if there are two speakers, the labels would be speaker 1 and speaker 2. You would not use the words 1 and 2 in your speaker labels, even though normally you should use the words for numbers less than 10. Finally, I hope this helps you take a little extra time to proofread your test application and fix the labels if they're formatted incorrectly. Believe it or not, it makes me sad to reject you when you've done everything else right, but I have to do it if you don't follow the formatting guidelines. Thanks for your cooperation.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript. This audio is used for